I, Matt, take you, Rachel.
I, Matt, take you, Rachel.
To be my wedded wife.
To be my wedded wife.
I will love and cherish you.
I will love and cherish you.
I promise to stick by your side.
I promise to stick by your side.
For better or worse.
For better or worse.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
For richer or poor.
For richer or poor.
I vow to remain faithful.
I vow to remain faithful.
Until death do us part.
Until death do us part.
Very good, Rachel. Vested with the same significance, place this ring on Matt's left hand and repeat after me. I, Rachel, take you, Matt.
I, Rachel, take you, Matt.
To be my wedded husband.
To be my wedded husband.
I will love and cherish you.
I will love and cherish you.
I promise to stick by your side.
Promise to stick by your side.
For better or worse.
For better or worse.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
For richer or poor.
For richer or poor.
And I vow to remain faithful.
I vow to remain faithful.
Until death do us part.
Until death do us part.
And now, by the authority invested in me in the state of North Carolina, and inasmuch as you, Matt, and you, Rachel, have announced the truths that are already written in your hearts and have witnessed the same in the presence of your friends and family, we observe joyfully that you have declared yourselves to be husband and wife. You may now update your Facebook status, and you may kiss the bride. Ladies and gentlemen, please rise. It is now my distinct honor and privilege to present to you for the first time as a married couple, Mr. and Mrs. Matt and Rachel Weller.
Rachel's leading the charge continues, and that she's the first of us to get married. And when she first started planning her wedding to Matt, whom I'm thrilled to welcome into our family, couldn't have asked for a better guy to join our family. Oh, that may be the part where I tear up. And now, you know, I hope that Rachel and Matt continue showing us what a happy, healthy, loving, laughter-filled marriage looks like. To you guys, to a happy, laughter-filled marriage. Here's to Beavis and Matt.
And I'm so glad that he's found someone like Rachel to live life with and share just special experiences. And you both are such good people, and you know, I'm glad you found each other. So,
Despite all these shenanigans, Faf has always done the right thing. You can always count on Faf. He's always been there. And dude, I'm just proud of you, brother. I love you. Cheers.
We've been to Africa, South America, Europe. We've been all over the world together. And we spent a long time looking for Matt to find somebody that he really loves. And here she is. So.